Today I want to teach you how to fill grout lines in marble floor and how to fill pivots and pinholes in marble floor. Come here. The things we need as marble grout filling. This is a marble grout filling. Uh, Here is a caution: eye irritant and corrosive, and to skin wear protection equipment including rubber gloves, goggles, and dust mask. Keep away from children. Store in dry place. Approved for ceramic tiles, floor tiles, face tiles, wall tiles, marble tiles, and granite tiles. Manufactured by Super Master Filling Company, Karachi, Pakistan. This is the grout. Contents are Selinker 95% and gypsum 2.75%, color 1.25%, and epoxyized 1%. Mix with water after 36 hours. Strength up to 8,000. Net weight 2 kg. And the price is 200 Pakistani rupees. Okay. This grout you can use, and the color is of this grout is like gray. After when you mix it with water, the shades like about like this. You can apply this grout on travertine floor and Buticino, and this is a China veranda. And today I want to teach you how to fill these joints in marble. You can call it, say it with the grout lines, and there is a little pinholes and pivots and a lot of cracks. See how it's working. We need a sponge and we need a grout, and that floor with water like this. Here is a lot of like these marble joints. Apply a little water on a marble floor surface. Wet the floor with water, little water, not too much. See how it's working. We start from here. You can see here marble joints and grout line is filled, and here you can see here. See here. Hello, bhaiya. See, these are little pinholes and pivots and cracks. Yeah, that's it. All grout lines and pinhole pivots is filled with grout. After first course grinding, you can. After first course grinding, if you see some pivots and pinholes in marble floor tiles, fill with the grouts in this way. You can see here, this one. This one also. You can see here all pivots, pinholes, cracks and joint lines are filled with grout. This is the way of filling marble floor. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment. If you like my video, please share so other can learn how to fill marble, how to fill grout lines, joints and pinholes, pivots in marble floor. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so when I upload a new video, you can get notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.